There, in this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about creating a moderator for distribution group. So, for example, in the last tutorial, we have learned to send a mail to the distribution group, and in the distribution group, whenever as a sender, whenever I send a mail to the distribution group, it sent to the entire members whosoever is a part of the distribution group. Means if it's 1 or 10 people out there, or 20 to 200 people out there in the distribution group, then every member will start receiving a mail whenever a person, whenever any sender will send a mail to the distribution group. It's like that. So in that case, when you go with the properties, in the properties, when you see, we check the membership about the people who are there in the distribution group, and when you check out the members, you will find it out how many members are there. And whenever we send a mail, we every member of the distribution group will get the mail. Now in the properties, when you go with the mail flow settings, there is an option called mail flow settings. And in mail flow settings, you will able to create a moderator. In this sense is that someone in the middle, a person will moderate whatever mail a sender will be sending. So for example, a sender will send the mail first. The mail will be received by the moderator of the distribution group, and a moderator think that yes, this message needs to go forward, then the message will go forward. So these are the member, for example, Android and Dan Major. Now when a sender send a mail to distribution group, rather than mail sent to Android and Dan Major, it's sent first to the moderator, any moderator we will appoint, and then according to the moderator approve the mail, then only it will go forward. So there is a mail flow settings. In there's three options out there. One is message size restriction. It means that you can restrict the size of a message. Second is message delivery restriction. You can restrict the delivery of the message. And the third is the message moderation, and that is the important part. You can moderate particular message, and if sender, for example, send a mail to the uh, distribution group, then via moderator you can filter the mails. So someone needs to be assigned. So message size restriction, the message delivery restrictions, there are very common restrictions out there, but message moderation is very important. And when we go and double click on it, you will find it out there are two options are there. One is the message sent to this group to be approved by a moderator. So you have to basically assign the moderator in the very first option. For example, any moderator would be a part of your Exchange server. Also have the mail box, so you can very easily create the moderator. When you go with the add option, we find it out there how many people out there in the mailbox, and you can basically assign. So there are, see, this distribution group, and this is what very high superior people own such facilities out there. For example, I select NDES. One person will check the mail first, will approve the mail, then only the senior superior people will get the mail. There is another option called specify senders who don't require message approval. Now since you opted a moderator, definitely it will take time for sender to get a response, might be of some hours delay, because unless moderator not approving, mail will not send to the member of distribution group. So there are certain people, for example, there is certain very important people you want the mail straightforward, so you can add those name here so that their mail won't reach to the moderator. Again, the notification, if for example moderator disapprove, for example moderator reject the mail, then what would be the cause, whether user will get the whether sender will get the notification that their mail is not approved, or senders of the organization itself will receive the approval message or not, that their message has been rejected. Either it's for the common for everyone, or either is only for the enterprises. First two option is depend on. The second one is only of enterprises. For example, someone of employee on the enterprises, their message get rejected, then only the enterprises people will get the rejection mail. The third one is don't notify, that if sender has sent a mail and if it get rejected, then you won't be notified and won't be receive any any message or something like that, that their message has been rejected. So this is what the third one is. Second one is only those people receive notification who are part of the organization. So I'm keeping the first one selected, I'm applying here, and I'm going with OK. So this is how you can create moderator in distribution group. Hope you learned